If you want your favorite shows and live sports on the same platform, Disney has a bundle that covers both. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. First, head over to disneyplus.com. You can find the link in the description of this video. It supports my work at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. On the homepage, scroll down and look for the bundle plans section. You'll see 4 main bundles that include ESPN. The most popular one for sports fans is the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Unlimited bundle, which runs $35.99 a month with ads. If you want no ads on Disney Plus and Hulu, that costs $44.99 a month. If you want a lighter sports option, there's also the Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Select bundle for $19.99 a month with ads, or $29.99 a month without ads. ESPN Select gives you access to ESPN Plus content, like La Liga, Bundesliga, NHL, and men's and women's college basketball. ESPN Unlimited goes further and includes all of ESPN's live networks, like ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNU, the SEC network, and more. Pick the bundle that fits your budget and click the Select button. Next, create your Disney Plus account or log in if you already have one. Enter your email, set a password, and add your payment details. Disney handles the billing for the whole bundle, so you only pay one charge each month. If you sign up for a bundle directly through disneyplus.com, your ESPN access is built in. No separate activation is needed. ESPN content will stream right inside the Disney Plus app once your plan is active. You can also watch through the ESPN app by logging in with the same Disney account you used to sign up. Now, if you're already paying for ESPN on its own, you can choose to upgrade to a bundle right through the app. Open the ESPN app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon, then go to Account. Here, under your plan, click Explore. You'll see the bundle plans available to you. Select the one most suitable for you, confirm your billing details, and you're done. If you don't see these bundles, you first need to create MyDisney account. To do this, visit my.disney.com and create a new account using the same email address as your ESPN Plus subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. You can find the links for Disney Plus in the description. Thank you for watching.